What's up, everybody? This is Sam from BMW Motorcycles of Walnut Creek, and this is the 2016 BMW R9T. A little bit of a secret about this bike. This is my personal bike. And also, this is my first BMW motorcycle. I must say, I'm thoroughly enjoying this bike. When I was in the market for a BMW, I was really looking for a bike to reconnect me with what got me into riding motorcycles in the first place. The amount of excitement, kind of being out in the wind, and this bike did it. You know, if you want electronic suspension and traction control, there are bikes for you. BMW makes, in fact, almost all of their bikes have these features. But I really wanted more of a no-frills, basic motorcycle. And what happens is you become really in tune with the motor itself, with the characteristics of the bike. And folks, I'm just enamored with this motorcycle. Very responsive handling, very responsive motor. This motor, the 1200cc motor, this is the last of the oil head engines. So they ran this motor up until 2012 across the board in the R bikes. And it was a proven motor, 110 horsepower, gobs of torque. Bulletproof, if I had to choose one word to describe this engine. So guys, I was hard pressed in deciding which motorcycle was the bike for me. But I gotta tell you guys, there is something about this bike. 1200cc, shaft drive, Akrapovic exhaust from the factory, ABS brakes, standard equipment, heated hand grips. I chose the all aluminum tank with the visible exposed weld. I just like the styling. You know, I think it's very retro. I think it's a throwback to the earlier days. And this is definitely an upgrade. You know, back in the day, BMW, they said you can have whatever you want as long as it's black. Wow, and that, folks, was a quick ride on the 2016 BMW R9T. If you like the videos, please subscribe. We enjoy doing them, and we'd love to hear what you folks think. Comment, like us on Facebook. We're your friends in the motorcycle business. Bye-bye. What's up, everybody? This is Sam from BMW Motorcycles of Walnut Creek, and this is the 2016 BMW R9T. That's no good. This is Sam from BMW Motorcycles of Walnut Creek, and this is the 2016 BMW S1000, not that bike. This bike is very pet friendly. Stops for all the four-legged friends that we have. And it's not too terrible to push it backwards uphill. I'll tell you.